In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a content page and use the Text Editor Toolbar. First, let me show you an example of a content page. I have a content page right here titled Einstein Intro. Essentially, a content page is a way to display information to your students very quickly. In this content page, I have a picture of Albert Einstein, a quote, and a short biography. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you first how to edit an already existing content page, and then I'm going to show you how to build a page from scratch. To edit an already existing content page, go to the top right and click the Edit button. Now you can start doing your editing from this editing pane here. From within this pane, you can start editing your text and making any edits that you want. Most of the editing you'll do will use the Text Editor Toolbar. The Text Editor Toolbar works just like most word processing applications that you're used to. You can bold the text, italicize, and underline. We have some coloring options for the text color or the background color. You can align left and center and right. You can add in superscript and subscript. You can add bullet lists and numbered lists. So let's stop for just a second and talk about bullets and numbered lists. You're probably familiar with bulleted lists and numbered lists, but they work a little bit differently than in a word processor. Let me show you an example. Let's go down and add a bullet to this paragraph right here. Now let's go ahead into the paragraph and make a second bullet point so we can start indenting. Now we can't just hit tab like you would in a normal word processor. We need to go to the top and use this increase and decrease indent buttons to move these bullet points around. This also is the same if you're going to create a numbered list. So if you want to do any sort of an outline, use the numbered list button, but again, you're going to have to use the increase and decrease indent buttons to make those items indent correctly. We also have a few other options in the Rich Text Toolbar. We have a table option, which is sort of like an Excel spreadsheet. You can just create the size of the table and insert it into your page. You can link to our URL simply by highlighting the text and then clicking the Link to URL button and typing in the URL you want to link to. And there are a few other options that will help you get content into your page. At this moment, I want to stop and talk about how to add images into your content page. As you can see, I have this image of Einstein listed here. So let's show you how I got this image into this content pane. First, let's go ahead and add an area to add a new image. To add an image, the easiest way is to go up to the top right and go to this Images tab. It will list all of the images you already have within the files of your course, like this Einstein image here. Or if you want to bring in a new image, go to this Upload New Image button, click it, and most likely you'll be choosing a file from your computer. So go to Choose File and choose the image from your computer. Now if I wanted to add the image I already added, I could choose this, but I'll choose this new Einstein picture here. Now you're going to click the Upload button to bring it into the files of your course. And you can see that it automatically places that image where your cursor was when you clicked Upload. So now we have this new image of Einstein in the content page. This is the easiest way to get images into your content page. You can also add other sorts of items to your page from this pane over here on the right. Most commonly, you'll be adding images and files. So let me talk about files now. A lot of times people will like to link to a file within a content page, especially items like PDFs or a rubric about an assignment. To do this, simply click on the Files tab and then upload a new file and follow the exact same process that we did with the images. Finally, I want to talk about one more feature that you will find anywhere that you'll see the Rich Text Editor Toolbar. That is this button here, the Record and Upload Media button. This button is awesome. This allows you to record audio or video anywhere that there's a content pane. Let's go ahead and open this and see what it does. When I click it, it'll ask you first to allow access to your webcam. And now you can see me doing this tutorial. So to record the video, simply click the record button, record your video, click stop, now click the save button, and your video has now been recorded, and we have this placeholder right here. So if we go and click save, scroll down, and we can see my video right here. To view it, you just click on it, and just like that, the video will play automatically. So again, that was anywhere that you see this rich text editor toolbar, you can click this record and upload media button. So you can see that, of course, in content pages, but this is really great because you can also use this in your course announcements. You can use this in your inbox messaging to students. You can even use this item when grading. We love this feature because it provides such a connected experience for the students to see you actually talking and interacting with them through the video. So again, you can use this feature anytime you see the rich text editor toolbar, and it's listed under record and upload media. So when you're done editing a content page, again, you'll go to the bottom right and click Save. So now, let's go back home and I'll show you how to create a content page from scratch. Just like adding any item to a module, first go to the module you want to add the item to, click the plus button, and now, from the drop-down, choose Content Page. Click New Page, and give the page a name. Go to the bottom right, click Add Item, and as always, you'll want to click the Publish button to make sure the students have the ability to see the item. Now click on the page, and just like with any content item, go to the top right, click the Edit button, and start making edits and getting content into that page.